friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of yet another budget offering from Infinix in India, the Infinix S4. So Infinix S4 is the latest smartphone under the 10K price segment with a 32 megapixel AI selfie camera and a triple rear camera setup. So recently Infinix announced their ultra budget offering or entry level smartphone, the Smart 3 Plus, which we reviewed on this channel and found it to be quite good in terms of the performance and camera aspect. It also had a triple camera. Now we have the Infinix S4, which is priced below 10,000 rupees in India. We don't really know the pricing as of now. While making the video, the pricing has not been announced. And this again comes with a 32 megapixel AI selfie camera and a triple rear camera, which is a 13 plus 5 plus 2 megapixel sensor. So let's get started with unboxing. So this is the Infinix S4 and we have the 32 megapixel AI selfie camera mentioned here. The back of the box mentions some more specifications. You can see that it has a 6.2 inches HD plus water drop display, AI rear triple camera. It is a 13, 8 and 2 megapixel camera combination, dual 2.5D glass body, XOS with Android 9.0 version, and we have 4000 mAh large capacity battery. And the pricing mentioned on the box is 999. We are not really sure whether this is the pricing, but we'll get to know on the May 21st when the device will officially be launched in India. So that's the specifications, and this looks like a good offering from Infinix. Now let's open the box package and see the device. So opening up the box, you can see the top has the Infinix S4 sticker. All the specifications are again mentioned here. So let's just take this out. So we have the blue variant of this device. So let's talk about that device in a while. We'll see what else comes inside the box package. So we have the adapter included. It's 5 volt 2 that's 10 volt charging. That's the basic charging included. Then you get the standard micro USB charging and data syncing cable. You get also a case included. Along with that there is also screen guard included. So this is the TPU case which is included with the box package, and this looks quite good, and we also get a screen guard which is included with the box package. So that's all inside the box. Let's have a look at the device. So that's the Infinix S4. You can see the triple rear camera setup. It's a 13 plus 8 plus 2 megapixel camera, and we have a quad LED flash included, the fingerprint scanner, the Infinix branding, and you can also see a small pattern like finishing on the back panel, which actually feels really nice. The build quality is something which is pretty good on this device. So we have the power and volume keys on the right side of the device. The bottom panel has the micro USB charging slot, the 3.5mm audio jack, and the speaker unit. The left side houses the SIM tray, and the top panel does not have any openings or slots. So that's the hardware. So on the front panel it has a water drop notch which is included, and the bezels are also quite good. So let's boot the device. We'll show you the software and some camera samples taken with the 13 megapixel triple rear camera. So now we have booted the device. So that's the Infinix S4 with an HD plus resolution display. So display quality looks pretty good with the water drop notch, and the clarity of the display looks good. The colors are vibrant, the viewing angles are also good. Touch response also feels adequately smooth enough, and overall the display quality definitely looks good on the Infinix S4. Now let's also have a look at the software on this device. So this device comes with Android 9.0 with XOS. So you can see that this is the XOS. It has a lot of additional modes to offer. Let's go to the settings, and you can see the new look of the XOS we have seen already on this Infinix Smart 3 Plus as well. So you get 3GB RAM and 32GB storage, out of which around 23.57GB is available. You get some additional options including actions and gestures supported on the Infinix S4. So that's the device. So overall it feels really nice in terms of the features. So that's the software aspect. Let's go to the cameras. So this device comes with a triple rear camera. We have the primary 13 megapixel camera. Along with that we also have an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, and you also get a 2 megapixel depth sensing camera. So we have AI cam, beauty video recording, it's 1080p resolution, and bokeh mode is also included. So looks good in terms of the camera interface. So it's a snappy camera on this device. So here are some camera samples taken with the Infinix S4. We will be coming up with a detailed camera pretty soon. Now the device also comes with a 4000 mAh capacity. That's a really large capacity battery, and it also has just an HD plus resolution display, so it should be able to give you like 1.5 to 2 days of battery life easily on the S4. So that was the unboxing and hands-on along with some camera samples of the Infinix S4, the latest budget offering with AI triple cameras and a 32 megapixel AI selfie camera. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.